welcome to Baskets of Yarn. I wanted to show you my first order from linebrand.com. I'm very excited about it. I hope you guys are too. The first thing that caught my eye was their boogie nights. I never saw something like this before. It's 3 ounces, 149 yards, 100% polyester, machine wash, lay flat to dry, and it's a bulky 5. This is made in China. The color is Monte Carlo. The next one that caught my eye was the Mandala Fluffy. I love anything fluffy, and this is fluffy. It's 3.5 ounces, 76 yards, 100% premium acrylic, hand wash, lay flat to dry. It is the color Dolphin, and it's made in Turkey. It's a jumbo 7. We'll be excited to make something with this. The next one is a Rebound. Look at this baby here. It is compact and really cute. It's 3.5 ounces, 175 yards, medium 4, 100% nylon, machine washable and dryable. It would be perfect for scrunchies. It's new to me. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to use this. The next one is the Mandala Ombre. This baby is gorgeous. Look at that. I love the colors of blue and green and white together, and this one definitely caught my eye. It is soft. It's a bulky. It's bulky? No, it's not a bulky. It's a medium 4. It's a 5.3 ounce with 344 yards. It is 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable, made in India, and it's the color Mantra. The next one that caught my eye, of course, is this beautiful True. It is made out of 100% rayon from bamboo. It is so cute and delicate, and it's something that feels really luxurious to me. I've never worked with yarn like this before. It's shiny. I love this gorgeous color of seafoam. It's 3.5 ounces with 241 yards. It's a light 3, and it is made in China. The next one that I must say I was so excited to see. I've never seen something so beautiful like this. I usually see t-shirt yarn in a solid color. I've never seen it in different colors like this before. It's like a chain stitch or a chain link. I wouldn't call it a t-shirt yarn, but it's the same style of a t-shirt yarn. It feels like t-shirt yarn. It's just this chain thing going on here is different from what I've seen. It's a really small ball. I was expecting it to be way bigger than this, so that was a disappointment for me. Will I be ordering more? I definitely will. I really like this, so I would probably make a t-shirt with it. That's all I could think of when I see it and feel it. It's 3.5 ounces with 109 yards, 74% acrylic, 26% nylon, machine washable and dryable, made in China, and it's a bulky 5. The color I have here is Flutter. Twisted Cotton Blend. It's a different texture. I have not seen this texture before, and it got me excited to try it out. It has this like knob or this knot in between, and it's I would say it's woven together. It's definitely different. I would love to make a dishcloth with it, or maybe something to put hot plate on or a hot pot on. It's 3.5 ounces. It has 98 yards. It's made of 69% cotton and 31% acrylic. It's a bulky 5. It's machine washable and dryable, made in China, and the color I have is tan. here we have low tide. Definitely reminds me of the beach. Because of the name, really, and how light it is. It's a chain stitch here. We have this really pretty chain. It'd be nice for tank tops or light t-shirts. I think I'm thinking of making some kind of pants with it. It is 3.5 ounces with 306 yards. It's a medium for 81% acrylic and 19% polyester. And we have the color Sunset. This is also made in China. The next one I really am excited to try is the cobblestone. I love the texture of this, you guys. It just reminds me of a beautiful stroll outside in the summer. I don't know if I would make a summer garment with it, but I'm curious to see what they're gonna have, what patterns they'll have for it. It's 3.5 ounces, 219 yards, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. It's a medium 4. The color we see here is ribbon. I was disappointed when I got this one. I wouldn't be ordering this again. I just don't like how it feels. It feels like it's gonna be a tangle mess. Sorry. That's just how I see this. It is a 3.5 ounce, 83 yards, 100% polyester. And the color we have here is Cosmos. It's made in China. It just feels really cheap and it feels nasty. I don't know. It's a bulky 5. I don't like it. I just don't like it. The next one I got is this Ice Cream Deluxe. It feels like the blanket yarns, but it's more of on the suede side. It has 5 ounces, 155 yards, 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable. It's a super bulky 6 and made in Turkey. The color we have here is Goose Lake. I'm excited to do something with this. I like it. The hairs are shorter and it's something I would love to use for my kids. Maybe a blanket or a mat for a baby to play on. The next one I got and I was really curious to try is this. Hand dyed heaven. It says it's real hand dyed yarn and it's 2.5 ounces, 175 yards, 100% nylon, machine wash, cool, lay flat to dry, made in Turkey, and it's a light 3. The color is Champ. I'm excited to use this. I was disappointed because of the color, really. I thought it would be a lot more vibrant than what I see here, but that's okay because I understand hand dyeing and how it is. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.